Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus wireless headphones and I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So, to open this box, we have to cut the tape which is over here and then unbox it. We have to do it carefully to not damage our headphones. And now we can open it. Here we can find our headphones itself. Wait a moment. So here is our headphones. As I can see, here is a wireless 2.4 GHz adapter, our headphones itself, and some cables. Here, as I can see, is USB Type A to USB Type C. Here is USB Type C to Type A adapter, and here is jack to USB micro. Here is our user manual. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.